Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about how can we customize phone sleep time setting in a Tecno phone device. Friends, we want to customize guys your phone sleep time setting. So how can you customize and how can you use your Tecno phone sleep time setting guys? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we customize guys our phone sleep time. Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it. Friends, click on guys your phone display and brightness guy. We will tap on display and brightness guys. Tap here. Friends, again scroll. Friends, you can see screen timeout means your phone sleep time guy. We will tap here. So we can increase from here guys. It's your choice guys. Means you can customize according to yourself. When 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, and 30 minute guys. You can set according to yourself guys your phone sleep time setting. So I will click on guys the 30 minute to customize. So once your screen will means your phone will not sleep in just a minute and second. After 30 second guys your phone will sleep. So like that guys you can set guys your screen time or setting according to yourself. Means your phone sleep time guys you can customize according to yourself. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.